Finding the right beauty blender can make all the difference in achieving a flawless makeup look. Whether you want an airbrushed finish or need a blender that works with all your products, there's a perfect tool out there for you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 beauty blenders, breaking down their features, usability, and durability to help you choose the one that suits your needs. Let's jump straight into the list. Kicking off our list at number 1, Real Techniques Miracle Complexion. The Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge is a game-changer for makeup enthusiasts seeking an affordable, versatile beauty tool. With its unique design and soft texture, it delivers a seamless finish for any makeup look. Key features: this sponge features a 3-in-1 design tailored for precision and blending. The rounded sides smooth large areas, the flat edge is perfect for contouring, and the pointed tip ensures precise coverage for blemishes and smaller areas. It's made from a latex-free material, ideal for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: the Miracle Complexion Sponge works with liquid, cream, and powder products, providing an airbrushed finish. Use it damp to achieve a dewy, natural look or dry for fuller coverage. Its versatility makes it a staple for any makeup routine. Usability: lightweight and easy to handle, this sponge offers excellent control during application. Its ergonomic design caters to multiple makeup techniques, ensuring precision and efficiency in every use. Cleaning it regularly is simple and keeps it hygienic for reuse. Durability: with proper care, this sponge can last for months. Its soft material maintains its texture and shape even with frequent use. Priced affordably, it's an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their makeup application game. In the second spot, we have Juno & Company Microfiber Sponge. The Juno & Company Microfiber Sponge is a revolutionary tool that combines the best of a brush and a sponge. Its microfiber technology offers a unique blending experience, ideal for creating a flawless base. Key features: this sponge features a velvety microfiber outer layer that mimics the performance of a brush, paired with a soft sponge core. The dual-sided design includes a flat edge for contouring and a rounded side for smooth, all-over blending. It's latex-free and hypoallergenic. Benefits and usage: the Juno & Company Microfiber Sponge absorbs less product, making it perfect for both liquid and powder formulations. It provides a streak-free, full-coverage finish. Use it damp for a natural look or dry for maximum coverage. Its microfiber layer makes blending a breeze. Usability: the sponge is soft yet firm, offering excellent control during application. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, and its unique texture requires a bit of practice but delivers professional results once mastered. Cleaning is straightforward, ensuring it stays in top shape. Durability: this sponge is highly durable, withstanding frequent use and washing. Its microfiber layer maintains its quality over time, making it a reliable tool for long-term use. With proper care, it provides consistent performance, making it a favorite among professionals. Coming in at number 3 is the EcoTools BioBlender. The EcoTools BioBlender is an eco-friendly beauty sponge designed for sustainability and performance. Made from biodegradable materials, it's perfect for environmentally conscious makeup lovers. Key features: crafted from 100% biodegradable plant-based materials, the BioBlender is latex-free, dermatologist-tested, and safe for sensitive skin. Its teardrop shape caters to both precise application and all-over blending. It also comes in recyclable packaging. Benefits and usage: the BioBlender works well with liquid and cream products, ensuring smooth and even application. Use it damp for a dewy finish or dry for a matte look. Its soft texture is gentle on the skin, making it suitable for daily use while promoting eco-conscious habits. Usability: the sponge is lightweight and easy to use, offering excellent control during application. Its design allows for both precision and broad coverage, while its softness ensures comfort. Cleaning is easy but requires careful handling to preserve its biodegradable structure. Durability: while not as long-lasting as synthetic sponges, the BioBlender holds up well for several months with proper care. Its eco-friendly composition means it can be composted after use, making it a sustainable choice for beauty enthusiasts. Taking our fourth spot is L'Oréal Paris Infallible Blender. The L'Oréal Paris Infallible Blender is a budget-friendly option that combines affordability with performance. Designed for precision and versatility, it's a favorite among beginners and professionals alike. Key features: this blender is crafted from latex-free material and features a unique shape with a pointed tip for targeted application and a rounded base for seamless blending. It works well with liquid, cream, and powder products, delivering a flawless finish. Benefits and usage: the Infallible Blender ensures an even, streak-free application, whether you're applying foundation, contour, or highlight. Use it damp for a glowing look or dry for full coverage. Its ergonomic design allows for precise blending and effortless makeup application. Usability: lightweight and comfortable to hold, this sponge provides excellent control during use. Its shape caters to all areas of the face, making it a versatile tool for different makeup techniques. Cleaning it regularly keeps it in hygienic condition and maintains its performance. Durability: despite its affordable price, this blender is surprisingly durable. It holds its shape and texture well with regular washing, lasting for several months of use. Its combination of quality and affordability makes it a great choice for any makeup kit. And finally, at number 5, we have Morphe M439. The Morphe M439 sponge is a professional-grade makeup tool designed for those who demand precision and performance. Known for its dense texture, it's ideal for creating a flawless, airbrushed finish. Key features: made from high-quality latex-free foam, the M439 features a rounded base for smooth blending and an angled edge for contouring. Its dense structure allows for even product distribution, ensuring a seamless application every time. Benefits and usage: this sponge is perfect for liquid and cream products, offering excellent coverage with minimal effort. Use it damp to achieve a natural, dewy look or dry for fuller coverage. Its professional-grade quality ensures consistent results for every application. Usability: the dense foam material provides a unique blending experience, catering to various makeup techniques. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to handle, and its versatility suits both beginners and experienced makeup users. Cleaning it is straightforward, maintaining hygiene and performance. Durability: built to last, the M439 holds up well to frequent use and washing. Its high-quality materials ensure it retains its shape and texture over time, making it a reliable addition to any makeup collection. With proper care, it provides long-term value for makeup enthusiasts. Choosing the right beauty blender can transform your makeup routine, helping you achieve a flawless finish with ease. Whether you prioritize affordability, eco-friendliness, or professional-grade performance, there's a blender here for everyone. From the innovative Juno and Company Microfiber sponge to the eco-conscious EcoTools BioBlender, these tools cater to all needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and tips.